Welcome back to the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel. Last week, you guys got to check out a 2020 L5P Duramax powered by our D1 HP package on the dyno. This week, we're back on the Ford category. We've got a 2019 Ford F250 powered by our F3 HP package. Sounds pretty cool, right? What is an F3 HP package? That's what we're talking about. So when you pop the hood on your F3 HP package, you see a bunch of green. Right off the bat, this customer came in, he wanted something you couldn't miss, and when you step up to the F3, that's what you get. This kit's been powder coated with a matte finish on the green. You got a gloss lid and gloss clamps. So let's get down to business. With the pusher intakes piping kit, what's its job? To bring as much air in as possible through here, put it through the turbocharger, and then route it back to the engine, and we make power. Speaking of turbocharger, what type do we use on this F3 HP package? So when we're stepping up to our F3 HP package, the factory turbocharger just will not get the job done. The drive pressure's through the roof. We just simply can't make the power that we demand out of that package. So what'd this customer go with? An SPE 66mm ball bearing T4 single turbo kit. These kits in a 66mm size is good for well over 600 rural horsepower. This truck is still equipped with stock fuel and a stock injector, stock CP4. So guys, I bet you're wondering the same thing as me. What does our F3 HP package put down on the dyno? So if you guys were listening, you did hear me correctly. The truck still utilizes the factory CP4 .2 high pressure fuel pump and still has the factory fuel injectors. Taking that and putting an S300 kit maximizes the potential of this engine. Well, talking about power, it's a 6.7 PowerStroke. It's now powered by our F3 HP package. What does this put down to the rear wheels? That's where you're going to want to tune in. Next week, we're coming back. It's Friday at 5. We're going to get this customer his truck, send him out over the weekend, but we're coming back. We're going to put it on the dyno. We're going to see what our F3 package is all about. Make for sure you like, subscribe. If you got any questions about the turbo kit or the piping, drop them below. We'll see you next week here at Point Blank Performance.